Top 10 Most Dreadful Places in the Universe. The Earth is a small planet in a wide area of the universe that is almost unlimited. The universe itself contains many planets, stars, solar systems, galaxies, nebulae, and all physical and non-physical objects, the number of which cannot be calculated even with human technology. Scientists and astronomers have studied and explored a small part of the universe. Among other things, there are some places in the universe that are considered to be very terrible and do not allow biological life. Where are those awful places? In a short while, you'll be taken to galaxies far, far away to discover the most dreadful places in the universe. But before you get so frightened, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons and ring the notification bell to get the latest shocking videos from the best of dens. Number 10. Screaming Skull. Yikes! This ghastly face in space appears to be screaming while suffering through a miserable, fiery death. But no real skulls were harmed in the making of this photo. It's actually an X-ray image of a cluster of galaxies known as the Perseus Cluster. Number 9. Space Ghosts. Ghastly figures appear to be fighting to escape from this cloud of interstellar gas and dust called SH2136. The illuminated dark nebula is about 1,200 light-years away, towards the constellation Cepheus. Number 8. The huge black hole of NGC 1277. Black hole or black hole still is a mystery that has now become an important study and research for scientists and academics in the field of astronomy. There is a super large black hole in the galaxy cluster NGC 1277, as stated on the science page room. If an ordinary black hole can have a massive gravitational force, it is inconceivable what force there is in a huge black hole. The NGC 1277 galaxy cluster is located 250 million light-years from Earth. The giant black hole has a mass 17 billion times that of the Sun. To date, black hole nicknamed Monster is the largest black hole and is believed to have the greatest power among other black holes. The discovery of supermassive black holes contributes to a long series of puzzles in the universe that have piqued the curiosity of many scientists. These are the 5 most terrifying zones in the universe that human technology can still observe today. What do you think? Is there really no strange life in these distant areas? Number 7. Fog Boomerang. Scientists and astronomers have discovered what is considered to be the coldest zone in the universe. The Boomerang Nebula is located about 5,000 light-years from Earth. The zone becomes one of the mysterious zones and is considered a terrible zone in the universe. The areas of the Boomerang Nebula can become extremely cold and deadly from the effects of dying red giants. The process of destroying these stars has released a very cold stream of gas and dust. The average temperature in this zone reaches minus 270 degrees Celsius. This freezing temperature results from the radiation from dying stars that are in the area of the nebula zone. To date, the Boomerang Nebula is the coldest zone in the universe. In fact, there are also some very cold planets in the universe, one of which is the planet Uranus, which is also present in our solar system. The planet Uranus has a temperature of minus 218 degrees Celsius and is the coldest planet in our solar system. However, the Boomerang Nebula is the coldest region or zone with the longest reach that human technology can still observe. Number 6. Boat's Void. The universe is a huge container that is known to be vacuumed and lonely. New Scientist on his side explains that Boat Void is a part of the universe that is emptier than the universe itself. This zone looks darker than all the other zones. At first glance, it's similar to a black hole, but its diameter is very wide, reaching 350 million light-years. Zone removal Boat Void is about 1 billion light-years from Earth, and that is a distance that humans cannot reach today. It's unimaginable how awful the zone will be. Indeed, scientists agree with the statement that Boat Void is the emptiest zone in the universe. However, it's not yet known how the zone was transformed. It is also not known exactly which celestial objects are in it. Number 5. WASP 12b exoplanet. A black shape transits across the surface of a star not unlike our own. It glows with an eerie iron-red halo as its parent star devours it. The tidal forces squishing it and inflating the atmosphere until it's nearly the size of Jupiter. Welcome to WASP 12b, deep in the Auriga constellation, where the tidal forces of its dwarf star parent are so great they stretch the planet into the shape of a football, and diamond is as abundant as limestone is on Earth. Despite how close the planet is to its star, it emits almost no light, making it one of the darkest exoplanets ever discovered. But it won't be around for long because its host star is devouring it. Number 4. Star TRAPPIST-1. TRAPPIST-1 is a planetary system, somewhat similar to the solar system, that is very cold and 39 light-years away from our solar system, as written on the page The Oxford Scientist. The zone is located in the constellation Aquarius and is surrounded by several Earth-like planets. Some scientists and astronomers consider this zone TRAPPIST-1 can support the life of organisms as the environment is similar to our solar system. The discovery of a zone close enough to our solar system raises hope of finding extraterrestrial life beyond Earth. However, other scholars and academics believe that the region TRAPPIST-1 is an active zone that is very terrible because the radiation in the zone can slowly and fatally destroy planet Earth. TRAPPIST-1 also touted as one of the most terrifying zones in the universe. Number 3. The face on Mars. Though we have yet to find any aliens on Mars, NASA did discover this creepy human face on the red planet. The original face on Mars image was taken by NASA's Viking 1 orbiter in grayscale on July 25, 1976. NASA assures that the face is simply a peculiar pile of rocks, but that doesn't make it any less spooky. Number 2. Eye of Sauron is watching you. This evil eye-shaped nebula, formerly named Fomalhaut, strikes an eerie resemblance to the fearful Eye of Sauron from the Lord of the Rings series. In the books, Tolkien described the eye as being rimmed with fire, watchful and intent, and the black slit of its pupil opened up a bit, a window into nothing. Number 1. Hand of God. The high-energy X-rays captured by NASA's Nuclear Spectroscopy Telescope, or NuSTAR, captured an image of a part of the universe that left scientists quite confused. NASA writes on their website that the image from the X-ray forms a hand and is named Hand of God. According to NASA scientists and astronomers, the X-ray image of the Hand of God is a pulsar wind nebula, a nebula of stars that explode in a violent supernova explosion. The particles from the supernova explosion interact with the magnetic field around the material, forming a huge object that resembles a drawn hand. Nevertheless, the zone is still a mystery in the universe. Even the radiation generated is very large and will destroy the life of the Earth if the Earth was nearby. The universe is full of phenomena that are obviously terrifying, especially to meaty little sacks like humans. What do you think? Is there really no strange life in these distant areas? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to share this video and amaze others to see their reaction. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video from Best of Tens.